Sunday, May 28, 2023. Question: so you want to pass a Forex prop firm funded trading account challenge? Question: but you don't want to be a guinea pig and test an unproven system? Question: so you want to see undeniable proof before the end of this video? Well, this video is going to blow your mind because I'm giving you the A to Z of why the Get Funded trading system has become the world's most accurate and respected strategy to pass all prop firm challenges. Let's go. This is the private training schedule showing the details of every client around the world who has attended the 2-hour one-on-one live private training session since October 2022. There are 365 individuals from around the world, but, question, what do real clients think about it? Let's take a look. Take your time to pause this video as many times as you need. Because these are the people you just saw on the training schedule, and that training schedule goes right up until the day this video goes live, Sunday, May 28, 2023. Next week I am full again. Now let's look at the end game. FTMO have announced that only 1 in 10,000 clients ever get to the stage of receiving a prop firm payout. That shows just how hard this game is, and it is past certificates and payouts such as these that every trader should strive for, because once you are at this stage you are one of the true elite traders who will receive payouts that could literally change your life. This is a game where those with motivation can enjoy the most affluent of lifestyles, because you will be making a standard salary look like loose change. Okay, you've seen real bookings, real feedback, real prop firm passes and payouts. Now let's show you every trade one by one. 99.9% of all trading videos on YouTube show you back-tested simulations in an attempt to fool you into thinking you will get the same results when you start trading the system. But that is total crap. Back-testing is just looking over your shoulder and using what you see to determine what you will do next time if you ever see those same identical situations occur. And that is why back-tested systems are not worthy of a bag of chips. It's because in real trading the markets are controlled by large institutions, and they alone decide when a market is going to stop on a dime and reverse direction. If you can find another YouTube trader who will actually show you a live trading session as you are seeing here, with every trade opening and closing, then you are looking at the real deal, not some 16-year-old wannabe get-rich-quick school kid playing God. Now watch these trades. I am highlighting the currency pair, the entry bar, and the ultimate profit and loss when the trades close. How does the system work? Most people know by now that the Get Funded system uses a number of AI algorithms and auto-places and auto-manages the trades when certain conditions are met, and the main core of the system is knowing where key levels of support and resistance are in the markets. The EA is the most accurate in the world when looking to get in on the most perfect entries, whether it's be a buy or a sell. You can clearly see at the bottom of the screen that this short session on the 1-minute time frame ended up banking $1,350 on Friday, May 26th, but the big issue is when we get to the end of the day how many trades are still open with drawdown. Because 99% of traders will never show their live positions at the end of the day and hide their open drawdown. What's the point of making $1,350 if your open trades are in drawdown to the tune of $1,400? Your net position is you've lost money. But look at where the system ended. Again, all positions closed. No open drawdown, and the $1,350 is literally bankable hard malaola, spendies, dosh, cash, foldables, whatever you like to call money. And if you are in our Telegram results channel, then you will know that the system spent the whole of this week churning out a minimum of $1,000 a day. And don't just take my word, here are all trades for each of the other 4 trading days of the week. Come and join the most progressive group of Forex traders in the world and look forward to the rewards that a funded account will bring you. What's your alternative? Another year of mundane financial worries.